Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here to share the classes that I took at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was held here in Mesa over the 15th of September weekend. And let me tell you, there's tons of classes. It's hard to choose which ones to take, but these were two. One I do every year when I go, and it was the card swap that's held with Dave, and then the other one was such a good value, and I've wanted to learn these techniques, so I thought it'd be beneficial to take the class. And because of the things they offered in the class, I couldn't pass up the deal. So anyway, so I did do the card swap with Dave, like I said. You were to make 21 cards, all the same kind of cards, and there were 20 participants, and one card was for Dave. He takes it and posts it on the scrapbook website or somewhere, I don't know where, but they get to keep it. But you get 20 different other cards from the other participants, and so you get lots of inspiration. I also got a goodie bag, and so let's open up the goodie bag to see what was in it. And we all got this, everyone who was in the swap class. How fun is this? So we got a packet of die cuts. It looks like all types of dies, so that would be fun. We also received an embossing folder by Tim Holtz, and it looks like a water splatter type of embossing folder. It's hard to see, y'all. Oh, here maybe. Nope, even still with that. Also received, oh look, a handcrafted by and a polymer, an oval stamp, and then you can write your name in it, and it's to stamp in the back of your cards. And Dave is the owner of Hill Street Stamps, so he designed this for the card swap class. I don't think you can get it anywhere else. I might be wrong, but he did design these. So how fun is that? We also got a pack of 6x6 paper. We received a pack of glue dots, and then we also got an eye swap button. So this, oh, and a glue stick. So this was in the goodie bag. Thank you so much, Dave. And then these are the cards that we received. And I did share the card on my channel here. I will link the video here of the card that I used and participated with in this swap. But first up, check this out. I don't think, not everybody put their names or anything on it, but I saw Gina K or one of them do this technique, and I thought it was amazing, but it's a lot of work. And I'm so appreciative. She did this 20 times. 21, I guess. But how cool is this? She inlaid the stamp leaves part, I guess, and then die cut out the leaf frame a few times. So cool. And here is another one we received. This looks like a Stampin' Up one, but maybe not. And they embossed the background paper as well with a leaf pattern. This one is pretty. This is happy birthday. I see my battery light blinking, so if this cuts off, I'm sorry. But it says fall is in the air, and it looks like they stamped some background paper with these fall leaves and some sequins. They layered the sentiment up. Autumn shows us how beautiful it is to let things go. Oh, and here you go. Handcrafted by Jennifer Manette. She's on Facebook. She's Craftology with Jen. And she's a close to my heart rep, I guess. So this must be close to my heart products. And then, so someone made this envelope as well as this card. Check this card out. And it opens up at the top. How fun is this? So fun, right? And it just says trick or treat. It has a few panels. And then she made the envelope to match it. Thank you. So check this one out with the moo cow on the front. And it just says, we heard it's your birthday. So cute. And then it's a gift card holder. So someone printed, this girl printed on post-it notes to stick this here. And she put a Starbucks gift card just to, you know, for an example. There's nothing on the card. But this is a gift card, what you call it? A gift card holder. And then it's embossed pretty little things on the back. But how cute. Such a great idea. Here is another one. It's shaped like a house, and when you open it, it says home is where the heart is. Aww. So that's a great interactive card. Oh, and I think you yeah, this is cool. How pretty is this? Then the next one, look at how adorable these flowers are. They're popped up on foam dots. They use some ribbon to tie here, and look at how cute this bee is. Oh, and it says, friends are flowers that never fade. And we all thought this was such a good idea. It says, I hope this card makes you smile. I didn't sign it, so enjoy it a while. Then pass the chair to a friend you hold dear. So I don't ever write in my cards either. I usually write on a post-it note and just put the post-it note. And if you've received a card from me, you know that. It's so that you could reuse it. But yeah, how cute is this one? So such a great idea. Oh, and check this one out. It's a flip it card. Hope to see you soon. And it has a pun on the word see. It has the anchor on the front. And then this nautical paper. Oh, and yeah. So that's pretty cool. That's a nice interactive card. And then there's always room for s'mores. How cute. These are all die cuts. The s'more, the lawn chair, and the plaid. Great idea. Oh, and this was from Sarah. Sarah was in the swap as well. How cute is Mary? It says there's nowhere to go but up. And she made it interactive so you can pull it up and down. How fun is that? And I love that she made the cards in rainbow color, the clouds. So cute, right? And she has popped it up on foam, and it says head up and feet beneath you. Oh, and then she just put handmade. But yes, Kelly did make that. I knew that. Then we got this card. And how fun is this card? Look at this. So she got some acetate that she cut to the shape of the die cut, and behind there she added these poinsettias. She added this fake snow, the snowman, and it says, hoping the season builds heartwarming memories. But this is so cool, and it's foamed up. And then it just says Merry Christmas. Beautiful. Here's another one. It It's a Merry Christmas card, and they just put 3 Christmas panels, tied some ribbon, and called it good. That's another Christmas card. Oh, happy birthday. How cute is this fox? There's a banner of stars across the top. They used a, what's this called? Oh my gosh. Not stencil, but they used a folder and made these things pop up on the paper. Oh my gosh, it's slipping my mind right now. But it says, have a wonderful day. How cute is this guy? He's so cute. They colored him too. Here's another one. It says, happy birthday with all the bees. That's cute. And this, I think, is from the Stamps of Life. I'm pretty sure it's the Stamps of Life. I have this bee set. But it says, happy birthday. And she put some stickles or something on the wings. There's glitter and shine to it. Here is another one. It just says hello. This is a nice clean card. And it just has the white paper inside for you to write your sentiment. It has a few pieces that are layered up. She added some jewels here and the ribbon embossed, and then she embossed the back of this paper as well. And it says handmade by Rhonda. I like your stamp, Rhonda. Oh, and how pretty is this? Easter greeting. They cut out the paper a few times to make the cross on the inside, and then they used this dot embossing folder and then layered it. That's such a pretty Easter card. Here's another one, cute as a button. And that was a nice one. It's just layered a few times with different medium. It has a doily, a ribbon, some paper, nice floral, some pearls. So this was the next card we got, the Thinking of You. It has a wheelbarrow that it looks like they colored and then tore some different paper and added this shiny strip. So that was another one. There's just this last one and then the one I made. How cute is this one? And it just says, rain is just confetti from the sky. And it looks like they have splatter paint in the back, and they stamped out these umbrellas. They have glossy accents on this umbrella there, and added the sentiment that they have popped up. And handmade with love by Tiffany Diliberto. snowdreamin@gmail.com. So she might be on Instagram if you want to follow her. So those are my 20 cards, and then again, this is the card I made. If you're new here, you might not have seen this video, but I will leave it here if you missed it. And I just used some Distress Oxides, a stencil, added some gemmies, and popped up the sentiment. And that was mine. So my battery's gonna die. I'm gonna end the video here. So this was one of the classes that I did take, and it was a card swap. I do this one every year. If you guys are going to Expo, I suggest you participate. It's a little daunting because it's 20 cards, but look at the payout. Look at how many inspiration cards you get back. So do not be afraid and plan ahead. So start now. I don't know. Give yourself lots of time. But yeah, so I hope you guys can make it. I'll watch the next video. On the next video, I'll talk about the other class that I joined and or participated in, and then share some some other things with you. I did win some door prizes, so I will share those as well. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I hope that you are having a crafty day again. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!